This is the last of the basic tutorials, Cocoon and Emerge from Worm. Cocoon is a card that forces a main breed worm monster to become completely unable to do anything at all. It can't use power, intelligence, block, or dodge cards. You can still recover its life with other cards though. The one thing that Worm can do is use the Emerge card. Emerge can't be used the same turn as Cocoon though. After you use Emerge, remove the worm main monster from the field completely, like you did with United, and summon a monster from the extra deck that is a sub-worm type. It can be any monster with a sub-type that says worm, such as Magna, Night Flyer, Shell, and Soboros. That monster comes out at full life, but has already attacked this turn. Also, just like with United, you can use Oil to allow the monster to attack this turn though. And don't bother with Ancient Memories this time. Worm's only special moves are Cocoon and Emerge. The sub-breed worm monsters can't use this card. Cocoon is very similar to United, but a bit more specific. But it could be pretty useful still. Remember, you can only have one of an exact monster on your team. That includes KO'd monsters. So if you already had Magna, for example, you can't summon another Magna by use of Emerge. So, will you use the Worm with all these strategies? Will you use Worm, but not bother to Cocoon? Or do you not like Worm at all? Anyways, that's it for the basic tutorials. From now on, the tutorials will only be for advanced plays. Watch them if you are learning, and they will help you become a better duelist. Download the game in the description if you haven't already, and have fun. Subscribe and comment.